Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to unbox the Lemfo F9. We will see what we have in the box and what we have in the software. We will do some tests and we will see how this watch works and if it's really worth to buy it. So stay tuned for that. So let's begin here with unboxing. As you can see, the box itself is very good packaging. As you can see in the back, we have here some information about the F9. You can see the F9 and the color black. We have waterproof, alarm clock, sleep tracking, vibration alert, activity tracking, and heart rate monitoring. We will see all these in the software of the F9. So let's begin immediately with unboxing. You can see it comes in 2 or 3 ports. The bands come separately from them. The bands are made from metal. You can see the curved screen of the F9. Underneath that we have the clippers for bands, we have the charger, and we have the user manual like usual. Here we will find all kinds of information about the F9, how to work with it, and as you can see, we have plenty of languages. So let's go ahead. As you can see, pull out the pins for the bands, put them in. This port, maybe it will take some time for you if you are new to the smart watch things, and you can see right here how to put them on. It's very easy when you are used to it. As you can see, when it turns on the first page, we have here percentage of battery, we have time, date, and we have some information about the sports activities for today. As you can see here as well, we have heart rate, blood pressure measurements, and we have sleep. Next we have sports, messages, timer, find phone, theme, brightness, and we have power off. So this is the software, very simple and very easy to use. Now let's go ahead and try some of these options that we saw, starting from the heart rate, which was the first one in the menu. We will see how fast it measures our heart rate and if it's real or not. As you can see, 70 is normal, 74 and very fast measuring, which is very important. Let's try the blood pressure. This should take a little bit longer than the other options, and as you can see, we have some information or measurements here as well, which is very good for the F9 and very fast. You can see here we have walking, running, climbing, football, ping pong, basketball, and we have swimming, cycling, other sports. Let's start with running. As you can see, immediately it starts the seconds. We have the seconds, steps, and heart rate. Only 3 options for sport, which is not enough. Usually we are used to see more options for sport, which is normal, I think. So these are the sports. Let's go ahead and see what we can try next. We have the theme here. As you can see, we have 4 types of theme, or 5 that we can change. These are similar to each other, and you can see how fast and easy it is to change, and that is a good thing. I will give it to the F9 a benefit for that. You can see immediately you can access into the F9. I forgot to mention that the F9 is not touch screen, it's the single button style because it's a little bit older than today's smartwatch. You can see the brightness is alright, and these are the options that we have in the F9. So guys, this was all for today's video. I hope you find this video interesting and helpful. If so, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you in the next video with another smart device.